Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just making this video to kind of set the precedent for like the future of the channel, I guess, in like the next couple months here, or a few months, or the next winter here. So I got two cars that I'm working on now. As you guys know, the black IS300 is done. You saw my last video, you saw that I finished up the black IS, but I have two new projects here I'll be working on here for this winter. It's winter time now, so I'm going to be out in the garage and hopefully making more videos for you guys, and trying to document a couple of builds that I got going on here. So the IS300, this is brand new, and I also have an EJ1 coupe that it's not brand new, but it's new to the channel, I guess. I've owned this car for 10 years. I'll just give you guys a little rundown on a couple of these cars that I'll be working on the next few months here. So if you're one of my subscribers from back when I was working on the EM1, you guys will be stoked to see that I'm working on a Honda again. And if you guys are here for IS300 content, this car is also 1JZ, so it's going to be kind of like the other one, but not the same. So if I can finish one of these cars by springtime, I'll be really happy. That's kind of the goal, I guess, is to finish one of these cars by springtime. I'm going to focus most of my attention on the Honda for sure at first, because it's definitely a lot cheaper build and I'm short on money right now. So this is my EJ1. I've owned it for 10 years. This is my ex-track car. I used it in VTEC Club Time Attack, second place two years in a row when VTEC Club came to Michigan. It's kind of a beater right now, but and it's been sitting in the barn for almost 4 years now, so it's covered in dust and it's dirty, but it's got a bunch of cool parts on it. I've also been gathering parts for this car for almost 10 years now, so I have plenty of parts for the build and everything, and you guys will be excited to see this thing get put back together. As far as the new IS300 that we have here, this is an 02 factory manual, just like my other car. It's just in much better condition. This is an unfinished project that I got from a local guy. Has really nice interior, really nice paint. The interior is super nice. The exterior is really nice too. Like I said, unfinished project, but much cleaner than my black car. I'm gonna do this one way different than the black car. Well, I guess not way different, but the black car was more like experimental, and this one is gonna be, I'm gonna put a lot more time and effort into this one. You know, the black car was like, get it running as cheap as possible. Well, this one I'm gonna do things a little different. I'm gonna have working AC. This is going to be a lot more of a streetable car, where the black one is definitely like a purpose-built drift car. So guys, I just wanted to make this video, like I said, to set the precedent here. There's a couple new projects in the garage. Stay tuned for some more videos on both of these cars. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It's a little update video in the garage.